New York's top court has ruled an elephant at the Bronx Zoo is not a person. That decision comes after a closely watched case that tested the boundaries of applying human rights to animals. Correspondent Kelly Beeson has been following this story. And Kelly, this may seem like an obvious conclusion. What was the argument, though, on the other side?
Well, Nichole, an animal rights advocacy group says Happy the elephant is intelligent, the first elephant ever to pass a self-awareness indicator test. They argued she is smart enough that she should be considered a person in the eyes of the law, especially in New York State, where a person is not specifically defined as a human being.
Free Happy! Free Happy!
The animal rights advocacy group Non-Human Rights Project says Happy is the Bronx Zoo's loneliest elephant and should be free. Happy was born in the wild but has been in the Bronx Zoo for 45 years, spending almost the last decade in seclusion. Animal rights advocates call her living quarters a 1-acre prison that they say is akin to a human being held in solitary confinement.
And when we look at the right at issue, which is the right to bodily liberty, which protects autonomy, and Happy is autonomous by scientific proof, she should at a minimum have the same right as a similarly situated individual that also has autonomy.
They want Happy released to a sanctuary, arguing that in the wild, elephants live in closely bonded families, with females never leaving their herd. The zoo argued through an attorney that Happy is neither imprisoned nor a person, but a well-cared-for elephant, respected as the magnificent creature she is.
How can the court apply habeas when we're not talking about a human?
Criminal and civil attorney Ari Shamulian agrees, saying applying habeas corpus in this case doesn't work.
The next step could potentially be that they want to have elephants right in the carpool lane with people, or you want to charge someone with first-degree murder for killing an animal. There are laws in place to protect animals, such as the penal code. However, the habeas corpus wasn't the right method.
And in a New York courtroom today, it was ruled that Happy the elephant may be intelligent and deserving of compassion, but she cannot be considered a person being illegally confined to the Bronx Zoo. Nichole.
All right, finally a decision on that. Kelly, thank you.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.